You was chilling on social media, minding your own business, being great. Then somebody slid in your DM, was like, hey girl, look at this. Frontier got $600 unlimited flights. Yo, bro, we about to live our best lives, international and all. Let's go ahead and book it. And this promotion ends, unfortunately, tomorrow night. If you watch it later, they're going to change the prices. In this video, as a flight attendant for 10 years, soon as I heard that, I'm like, oh, these ninjas is trying to sell a buddy pass. I already knew the fix was in, yo. So I'm like, okay, you gotta read the fine print. So I didn't even really get a chance to organize this video or anything, but I'm basically gonna let you know what's the catch, is it worth it, what you should do, and my thoughts as a flight attendant. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I'm sorry for my blurriness, but we will get through it, baby. Make it do what it do. Let's extend this. All right, so we all seen alerts. The alerts was everywhere. Deal extended, $5.99 for unlimited Frontier flights. Lego. So you go to Frontier Airlines website and up, you go to deals. You see Go Wild Pass down here. Go wild, baby. Let's turn up. We going wild. Go Wild Pass. Go Wild all you can fly. On sale for $5.99 a year for the whole year. The sale ends tomorrow at basically midnight. It's gonna be good. Then it say retail and renewal price $2,000 a year. So I don't understand that. Basically, are they saying after tomorrow the price is going to go up to $2,000? Is that what they're saying? Turn your flexibility into unlimited flights. The key word is flexibility. That is code word for standby. Your tail is going to be standing by for the next flight if you don't make something. That's that code word is for. Flexible with your schedule. This is your ticket to truly go wild as often as you like. Here's how it works. You buy the Go Wild Pass. You log into Frontier with your miles account. You search and book just as like it's a buddy pass on frontier.com the day before flight departures for domestic travel, starting 10 days before with internationals. So planning a real trip, meaning you have to go to a wedding, immediately, hell no, don't do this. Immediately is they like, yo, we gonna see if we got a seat for you. We'll let you know the day before. Your pass will be valid for 1 year beginning May 2nd, 2023. So when you spend $600, you're not about to reap the benefits of this until next year, May. For each flight, you'll pay 1 cent in airfare plus applicable taxes, fees, and charges at the time of booking. So, I thought you were paying $600 for unlimited flights. But now it's saying you're paying a penny for the airfare, which they didn't say 600 and a penny, $5.99 and a penny. So it's like, okay, taxes, how much the taxes, how much the fees, and how much the charges at booking. So yeah, when you book, you can also purchase options like bags, seats, and what? Yo. So you telling me you about to get this and you can't even bring your bags on? All right, they like, look, we got the 600 for you, but them bags. So what, I just flew Frontier last month or earlier this month. I believe my bags was $75. So you're paying an extra $75 plus like, let's just say $100 best case scenario. We don't even know how the seat situation goes. So okay, you fly, then you hit the repeat button and book unlimited number of flights as long as you can with your pass. So I have some questions. First thing first, as a flight attendant, I like to protect my crew members. Frontier, as a previous crew member, do these passes, the Go Wild passes, is their priority higher than crew members or crew members' family or other flight attendants that's not exactly crew members for your airline? So say, for example, if I work for JetBlue and I'm basically trying to get to Detroit. I show you my badge at the gate. When y'all list me, do these passes go first? And also for the customer that have these passes, who go ahead of you? What's the seniority? Like, this is so important because y'all don't see this. Seniority is everything, because you get to the flight, and if you don't know if it's 100% confirmed, because they're saying the day before you will know, that's nasty. That's nasty. That's a tough one. It's saying unlimited number of flights. Flights are available 300 plus days a year. This is another red flag. It's a 300 plus days. It's 365 days in a year, and they fly every single day. Why is that? Access to Frontier, domestic and international. That's great for international, but you got to pay international taxes coming back, which is higher. They ain't gonna tell you about that. Travel that will keep your miles from expiring. But they said you can't use miles. Okay, I don't know how that worked. One low annual price. All right. Things you should know. Flights will start May 2nd, so it's going to be crazy that day. Flights can be booked and confirmed the day before flights. Okay, do it the day before. Now look at this. Flights are subject to blackout periods. That means it's going to be blackout periods. Whenever it's an exciting day that you want to fly, 10 times out of 10 when you want to fly, you're not going to be able to fly. For example, me and my friends did guy trip every single Memorial weekend. Let's see, is Memorial weekend open? No, it's not open. Oh, you want to go home for Christmas? No, not open. Halloween, you can do Halloween though. So all of important days you actually want to fly, they're not going to do it because they know it's like, okay, I even got a video on this page I did. I gave away so many buddy passes. Friends been stuck for days. Because, all right, for those that don't understand how buddy pass and standby go, right? Okay. So you book, let's say you're going to Detroit to LAX, right? You are hoping for open seats. If there's open seats, they can be like, all right, John, we're about to give you this open seat. Boom, you're good. If it's full, they're going to roll you over to the next flight. If there's not a next flight, you roll over to the next day and you're stuck. Another thing that I 1000% know that what they're going to do is you're not about to get top quality flights such as going straight to your destination. They're going to lay your ass over somewhere in Boise, Idaho for 5 hours. So it's going to take you a long time to get to your destination, and the final price might not be too sexy or appealing. Flights do not include any add-on products like bags or seats customized. So that's extra money that you're paying every time you fly. Taxes and fees, that's extra money. That penny, extra money. Flight and seats are subject to availability. Last seat available is not guaranteed. Wait. See, I didn't read this. This is my first time reading it. So this is exactly what I said, but they use vague words. Flights and seats are subject to availability. Last seat availability is not guaranteed. I don't understand that. Anybody understand that in the comments? Let me know. Travel not eligible to earn miles or status. Travel qualify as activity and will extend your Frontier miles expiration. I don't get Frontier, so I don't understand that. The Go Wild Pass is non-transferable, so you can't do it. Each person got to have their own. Your pass will automatically renew once a year. You got to be 18. Get your pass. So, in conclusion, I know people want to know, Orlando, is it worth it? Should I do this? You can do what the hell you want with your money. But 10 times out of 10, once May roll on around and this pop, you're going to see non-stop TikToks, non-stop YouTubes, non-stop videos of people complaining being stuck in the airport, pissed off on how they got scammed, it was a waste of their money and all this type of stuff. And it's going to be bad for Frontier, and as they teamed up with Spirit Airlines, it's going to be bad. So I honestly say no, because you're going to be so much madder seeing that you're paying $200 to fly and you already paid $600 and you're not going to be guaranteed. It's just, unfortunately, they tried it. They tried it. Keep on begging y'all friends for buddy passes. All right, I'm Lando Says. Hope all is well, man. I'm out.